Hi, Olan. I was told that you're going to celebrate your 60th birthday today. And can't imagine you being 60. You see, you were still in high school and maybe part of your college when we met in Bicol. And so I always thought of you that way. Um, so even though you are now, 60 years old, uh, my affection towards you as a brother is still the same. It might only have become intense through the years, and being so proud of what you have become since I know where you come from. You know, living together in that old Malonda residence, you have come a very long way, brother. And I'd just like to say that my time in Bicol was life changing for me. It has changed the trajectory of my life. That's how big an impact it was. And a big part of that is knowing you and living with you guys and working together through the scriptures and discipleship and all that. Um, to me, it was more of a mutual discipleship. And so I'd just like to say happy birthday to you and 60 years old. You're just starting, and the next few years will be a time of integration for you. You will start to sift through your experiences and decide what really counts. And so my prayer is that God give you the wisdom to be able to do that. Leave behind some, keep that which is important, and that which you can use to this next stage of your journey. God is calling you to a new level of leadership or ministry, more of fathering. Some people would say mentoring or coaching. I think you are moving into that area. So happy birthday, and looking forward to see you again sometime this year. I'd just like to say this. I really love you, Olan, Yuli, the two of you. Um, Deep in my heart. Happy birthday again.